Think of a number math magic. The answer is always 2. I'll guide you step by step, and we will highlight each move so you can see the cancellation happen in real time. Step 1. Think of a number. Call it x. Step 2. Multiply by 4. So x becomes 4x. Step 3. Add 4. Now you have 4x plus 4. Step 4. Divide by 2. The quantity 4x plus 4, all over 2, simplifies to 2x plus 2. Step 5. Subtract your original number x. 2x plus 2 minus x becomes x plus 2. Step 6. Subtract your original number x again. X plus 2 minus x leaves just 2. Box the final result. Why it always works. After step 4, we had 2x plus 2. To subtract x, moves will remove both copies of x. Watch the cancellation visually. Subtract x once. Subtract x a second time. Only the plus 2 remains, so the answer is always 2. No matter which number you start with, both copies of x cancel, and the constant 2 survives. The answer is always 2. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time, only on Myverse Maths.